If you've been working in Noteey, you're used to being able to share your boards with a lot of information or share your boards with just a little bit of information because before you could only share boards, but now you can share just an individual card. Sharing a single card comes with some of those benefits. One, you don't have to worry about sharing an entire board where it could be confusing for the user if all you need to share is just simple information in a document or a card, a wiki type format. So let's go ahead and show you this particular feature and the things that you can do with it. So first off, let's create a card, a new card here, and we're just going to call this test card sharing. And let's put some content in this, and let's have Gemini here create us a document. And we will let it create something for us here. Okay, so we have this wiki here that was created and it has an image in it. And let's go ahead and copy this and let's paste it over here in the Noteey card. And the first thing we'll notice is that if you're pasting in here, which is not really, I guess, relevant to the sharing feature, you don't always get the image. So let's go back, and what I want to do is make sure I get an image in here so we can show that images also get shared. So we'll copy that image, go ahead and paste it right here. So now we have the image in there. Let's go full screen on this here. All right, so we have us an actual document or a card here, and that we can share. So you also get the table of contents, and you have functionality with Noteey where you can do highlighting for your cards. So let's use a scenario here where we have the card. You can see we have a nice table of contents here because of the formatting. And if we want to come in here and highlight a few things, so let's highlight, let's just pick some random stuff in here and I'm going to highlight it. So I'm going to highlight this here. Let's add a highlight there. Come here, we'll highlight this one here. And let's highlight this top level. And let's put in, when we highlight it, let's change the color on some of them here. We'll highlight this one. And we'll make this one reddish color. And let's put one more here. And we'll make this one the orange. All right, so now if we want to actually share this document here, all we need to do is go to share, go to publish to the web, and we can go ahead and create a link for this. Now this will be a link that if anyone has this link, they'll be able to read it. The person on the other end cannot edit. So there are no edit features with this sharing functionality. But if you just need to share the information so that other people can see it, then this is a pretty good use case. Now within here, we can go ahead and click the visit the site. And we can see here that already we have the document has been shared, and that's shared pretty quick. It's mostly text, so it should share pretty quickly. And we have the highlights that are shown in the document. We have the different colors for these highlights, and we have the image came over, and yeah, it shared over the way you would expect it to. We also have the table of contents that we can show here. And you have the different colors that are shown. If you click on them, it'll take you to the exact location of where this highlight is in the document. So this works as you would expect it to. You have the little filtering feature here where if all I want to see is one of these types of highlights, I can go ahead and filter and only show those here in the side pane. Let's go ahead and let's add some notes into our highlights just to show that we can edit this and continually update the document. as we're making our edits, we can update these changes so that people who are viewing this document or have access to view it via this share link, they'll get these updates when they refresh the page. So we can just say new update in this one here, another comment, and we'll leave it at that. This should show what we need to show. We'll come back here. We will do publish changes. Go here, and we can view the site just by clicking this view site link, or we can do the copy link again, paste that somewhere, and then open it up. Let's do the view site. This will open that up. Let's open up our highlights, and we can see that the new update and another comment has been added to those highlights that we just updated. Now, it would be nice if there was a way to add comments to this document from the user perspective. So when you're sharing this out, it would be great if the person on the other end at least had commenting functionality within this page so that they can provide feedback back to me or whoever's sharing this document out to them. They can provide feedback. So if that was something that could be added. Now, if you want to unpublish this page, you're done with it, you don't want anyone to be able to see it anymore, we can come in here and we can just say remove publish link. We'll remove that link. It's removed from there. So if we come back in here, if you have the page up, obviously that's going to still be shown. But if you refresh that page, or if someone tries to get back, that link will not work again while it's unpublished. So if you do want to publish that again, let's go back in here and let's publish that again. And let's create link. And I'm not going to click on the view site here because I've noticed one thing. If I come in here and I refresh now, I've noticed that the link does not change within the, I don't know if this is stored in a database or not, but it seems like the link is created. The share string here at the back end gets created for this particular note, or it does the same thing with a board. It'll create this unique identifier, and this will stick with this document forever. So if you want to change this link or have this link changed, then you will need to create a new document to be able to get a new unique identification here at the end of this link. Now, there's other ways that you can share this information here. You can share it by going into share, and you can export this as a PDF or a markdown and then send it to someone. But this is one of the most convenient ways of doing it, especially without having to add this information into a board and then share the entire board, which is a bit of overkill. Now having it so that you can just share a note is a much more improved way of sharing your content with other people. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, have a nice day.